Well, we have some breaking news, and that is that Bitcoin continues to hit all-time highs as we speak. As of right now, we're just shy of $119,000 per Bitcoin. We're probably about to hit 120 here in just a little while. But guys, this is massive news for the Bitcoin and quite frankly, the world finance community. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about why I think this is just the beginning of a massive Bitcoin bull run that's going to last for a very long time. And one of those reasons is right here. The Trump administration is going to be releasing their crypto policy report on July 22nd, which as of the date of this recording is in just over a week from today. Now, keep in mind, guys, this does not imply that there will be any legislation passed regarding this, and it does not mean that any action will actually be taken in terms of going out there and buying Bitcoin. But guys, this is the most bullish administration we've had on cryptocurrency assets. The report, I wouldn't get too overly optimistic about what's going to be in it because they will be talking about Bitcoin and stable coins. You'll see that Tom Kim recently launched a new company or became the head of a company that's going to be buying a bunch of Ethereum. I'm not worried or focused on that. I am focused on Bitcoin. I think it's the world's greatest reserve asset and will overtake gold here in just a little while. But guys, if the United States government does get involved in purchasing Bitcoin off of the free market, guys, that'd be absolutely huge for the price of Bitcoin. And when we take a look at here, guys, for those of you who don't know, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin ever. Effectively, that number is going to be a lot lower because 1 million of those Bitcoins are in what is presumed to be Satoshi Nakamoto's wallet. Will they ever be used, or have they passed away, or will they just be locked away forever just as a gift to the world? I don't know. But effectively, look right here, the money supply of Bitcoin is currently just shy of 20 million Bitcoin, because every 10 minutes as of right now, just a little over 3 Bitcoins get released. So right here is a number I want you to see. As of right now, 94.72% of all Bitcoin that will ever exist are already minted and in existence, unlike the United States dollar and currencies all around the world, which have an infinite supply. The government can just keep printing more and more dollars, and every single time that they do, it devalues your dollars that you currently have in your savings and investments. So this is why Bitcoin was created. Let's just basically get a bunch of people around the world who are sick of fiat currency, just having a never-ending supply of diluting the dollars they just worked for, and create our own currency, right, with a limited supply. So I want to run through a quick calculation here and show you why this is actually really bullish for Bitcoin, okay? So right now, there's approximately 3.125 Bitcoin released approximately every 10 minutes to Bitcoin miners as a reward for verifying transactions on the network, right? So if that's every 10 minutes, there's 6 10-minute increments in an hour, right? And then there's 24 hours in a day. So every day, 450 approximately new Bitcoin released every single day in a circulation. The dollar value of that, let's just round up and say a Bitcoin's worth around 120,000. So that's $54 million in new Bitcoin basically being added to the supply every day. Now, the reason I mention that is because I want you to take a look at this, okay? Right here are the largest corporate holders of Bitcoin. And on the top of the list, you see MicroStrategy, which is now a company that tried changing its name to Strategy, but everyone just calls them MicroStrategy. You'll see right here, they own 597,000 Bitcoin, okay? That's like, what, 3-4% of all the Bitcoin that will ever exist? That is a huge amount. So you might be asking yourself, well, why do they own so much Bitcoin? And as we go down this list as well, you'll see Mara Holdings. They're a Bitcoin miner. They have 50,000 Bitcoin. Title 21 Holdings, right? 37,000 Bitcoin. Riot Platforms, they're a Bitcoin miner. 19,000. Here's the other one I want you to look at. Metaplanet has around 15,500 Bitcoin. So Metaplanet and MicroStrategy are basically implementing some game-changing strategies that will boost the long-term value of Bitcoin. Okay, what they're doing is they're fundraising a lot of money through either issuing new shares or simply going out and issuing bonds, preferred notes, right, to raise even more money. And then they just go out there and buy Bitcoin, sell more new shares, take that money, go buy more Bitcoin. And they keep doing this over and over and over again. And that keeps propping up the price of Bitcoin. So when you look at the miners that are basically holding on to their Bitcoin, plus the people that are constantly buying the very small supply that's available and keeps getting added to the supply every day, this puts a lot of upward pressure on the price of Bitcoin. Because if more money is going in to buy Bitcoin than the few $100 million we said every day that is going to sell it, that's going to cause a huge spike in the price of Bitcoin moving forward. So as of right now, I am extremely excited at the prospects of what Bitcoin can accomplish through the rest of the year and through the rest of the decade, because it's a long time coming that after the world governments all over the world have continued to steal from their people through issuing new infinite amounts of dollars with no limits and no rules to the amount of circulating supply. Bitcoiners have changed the game, and a lot of people are working towards boosting and maintaining the price of Bitcoin by holding it forever and ever. So that's why I'm predicting we're going to hit 120 here very, very soon. After that, it's only a matter of time before we hit 150 and 200 before that. I'm not going to get specific with time estimates, but guys, there's a lot of exciting things going on right now in the world of Bitcoin. I know I'm going to be trying to take advantage of it as much as I possibly can. And if you are too, go ahead, smash that subscribe button so you see all the videos I have coming out. Hit the like button, drop a comment as well. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next one, and stay free, my friends.